Hey guys, Diego here, back with another episode. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about specific case studies. So we're gonna be analyzing two different type of personal businesses, and the way in which a call funnel, which we're gonna be looking further into detail in the future, will help them. So just a little review as to what is a sales funnel. It is creating traffic into clients. Our emphasis is in the interest and decision aspects, in which we take care of the relationship and the interaction between the business and the clients. So for today's video, I wanted to analyze two real quick scenarios. I wanted to focus on freelancing jobs and why a call funnel would be the ideal type of sales funnel for them. Okay, so basically, to understand the main idea behind a call funnel, the important aspect is to understand that you're grabbing your traffic, and through a personal relationship, a one-on-one relationship, you're trying to convert traffic into possible clients. So for this approach, if you're a freelancer and, for example, a photographer, a real estate agent, it is important for you to present yourself and your personal brand to people, because in the end, you're not a business and you don't have a business to answer for your reputation. So your work and your value is the final reputation that goes back into your product. Okay, so let's begin by analyzing, let's call him Frank. So Frank is a photographer. He works out of the city of Chicago, let's say. And he has his target demographic, which is young couples that would like to get a newlywed photo session. Okay, so Frank will have his Instagram page in which he will display his content, and he will provide his offers. He will show people what he has done in the past and add some credibility to his work. Frank may have some posts in which he shares all the features that his camera has, and who his team is, and what extra equipment and extra offers does he have. Um, he might present to his audience different packages he has for newlyweds. He might have student discounts. He might have sort of extras that will make him different from the competition. Okay, so he might want to start through his Instagram account, and then he might want to go into a call funnel. That's the part where we come in. Okay, so a call funnel, it's one of the most personal and the most connective type of funnels, because you're giving your time to somebody to customize your product towards their needs. Okay, so in this case, Frank would join a meeting. He would call the young couple. They would have a one-on-one session, either through Zoom or through another platform, or maybe on the phone. We would always recommend face to face because it's more personal and you guys get to know the person providing the service, just as you guys are with me. So I would recommend Frank utilize video. However, it's completely up to them. It's just our recommendation that we would give him in his specific case. Okay, so after he creates his content and shows his equipment and all that, he starts getting an audience. He goes into the niche of newlyweds. He's getting traffic. Now is where he comes to us and he says, "Hey, Diego, okay, so I want you and your team to create a call funnel." Or he might not know what he needs, but he says, "Okay, my purpose is to get newlyweds to pay for let's say a 30 photograph album." Okay, and so we tell him, "Okay, so what are your upsells?" and he might say, okay, for people that are interested in the 30 photo package, I might offer a 5-minute video of their wedding day. Okay, so you're adding value to the offer. So we organize everything that Frank tells us, the wants and needs of his product, and we tell him, okay, so you have your traffic, whether you created it or we help you create it. Now you need this type of funnel. So in this video, we're gonna talk about a call funnel. Okay, so we would recommend a call funnel so that Frank has a personal relationship with a young couple. Okay, so Frank would then need a landing page that we would create. So it says, hi, my name is Frank. I'm a young photographer of Chicago. I specialize in wedding pictures and pre-wedding albums. Get to know a little bit about myself by joining my email list. Okay, so we provide a landing page in which people can contact him, provide their email, and schedule their one-on-one call. Okay, so now Frank has a platform to interact one-on-one with his possible clients. So looking back at the pyramid, we went all the way from traffic. We added an email list and a capture page in which people already showed interest in Frank's product. And now we're in the nurturing process. So through the one-on-one call, you get to start and nurture the sales process. Because in a one-on-one, people are going to get to know you. They're going to ask what your value is, what value are you providing for them, what your price point is, what different offers. So it's a more customized experience. Okay, so the difference we're talking in the first video between a sales funnel and a website is that you go into Amazon looking for a phone, and you click on Amazon and you see 500 different options of phones, and you don't even know what you want, and you just click and buy. So in this case, we are grabbing a service or a product, and we're saying, okay, this is your need. Okay, you're here for a reason. You're in my traffic for a reason. Let me know a little bit about yourself. Show me that you like me. Show me that you like my content, and let's begin the relationship. This is the high ticket aspect of sales funnels. So the difference between getting low paying clients and paying clients on the internet is just on trust and relationship. You got to get to know your clients. They have to know a little bit about you, about your value, your product. Okay, so now that you have the basic theory behind what we would do, it is important for you to have the landing page so that you can collect the information of possible clients and people that show interest. Um, and it is important for you to have a method in which you schedule your calls, organize your calls, and send them emails so that they don't forget about you and they have you in mind. Okay, so it is a three-way process, but now the value you're getting is that you have their contact, so you can send them exclusive offers and exclusive value just for your audience. You now have a filtered audience, which is going to provide higher conversion rates because you don't have to spend thousands and thousands of dollars in advertising to everybody. You already have your target, your filter, your target audience, so you're gonna spend way less money on advertising, and you're gonna advertise to people that are more than likely to buy your product if given a proper sales funnel and sales process. Okay, so with a nice product, with a valuable product, um, and the correct channel to move your traffic and your interested traffic towards your client, that is the perfect recipe. Okay, so as we looked a little bit into this video, the call process would be a simple platform that we would create for you guys, in which you can enter your emails to receive a freebie, a free ebook, a free sample of your photography lessons, of your photography albums. Then you have the platform for people to schedule a free call. So when you give them a free call, they say, well, this guy is very interested in me and he wants to learn more about me, so I want to learn more about him. um, it all connects back to adding value to your content. So the one-on-one calls is vital, and it's one of the strongest tools it is that there is right now in online marketing. But you have to have the right tools, and you have to have the right funnels. So yeah. So just as an example, guys, if a freelancer or a real estate agent would contact us and say, hey, Diego, I want your team to build me a call funnel. I need it to provide exclusive offers and to provide offers to people during the pandemic. So then yet again, he has the traffic. We would create the capture page. We would schedule, we would set up his through software, his um, excuse me, his calls software, so that he can have a calendar with all the one-on-one meetings. Then we would give him 3 or 4 templates for Facebook ads, email ads, whatever they're interested in, and whatever we consider. Also, we're gonna give you our opinion on what is your best type of traffic and your best type of traffic for your conversion goals. Um, and then we would give them probably it would be important for them to receive a thank you page in which the photographer thanks them for trusting him in such a special day, in which he says he understands the value of high quality pictures of the most special day of people's lives. And that's it. So the relationship has been built. We have given you the value that you have paid for, in the sense that we give you the important blockchains of your funnel. You're crushing your traffic, but now you're not only crashing your crushing your traffic and your content, but you are having a sales funnel that actually converts. That is the important part. There's a very big difference between pages that show nice pictures and cool videos and hilarious memes. Um, but there is a big step and big difference when you want to convert that type of traffic into high quality clients. Okay, so with a sales funnel that's built for your specific type of business or your personal brand, you're more likely to create high quality relationships that in the end result in long lasting clients and high ticket clients. Okay, so I hope you guys learned a lot. This was another short video. I'm gonna be posting some exclusive content in my Facebook group. So if you guys are interested in that, you can send me a DM saying group, and I'll be inviting you guys to our private group. The idea of this group is just to create a network in which like-minded individuals like us, which are into the online business world, can connect. We can share ideas, share what we learn. Maybe if somebody tried out a program, didn't work, then he can post a review there. No promotions. We're not going to be spamming affiliate marketing or promoting other people's products. It's just a way in which I can connect with you guys. I can see what you're interested. I can create content that you guys are appreciating. Um, this is a whole process of learning. I've been myself for over 2 years now in this world of online business, and I want to keep sharing it with you guys. I'm very excited. So click the subscribe button below, please. That helps a lot. Like the video. If you have any questions, comments, or DMs, I'll be answering as soon as possible. And we'll see you in the next one. Pura Vida.